Now let's get started. Companies worldwide have continuously gathered and analyzed customer data to provide better service and improve their bottom lines. In today's digital world, we gather tremendous amounts of data which requires non-traditional data processing methods and software. Data science helps businesses understand and utilize data effectively. It uses math, statistics, AI, and computer engineering techniques to analyze large data sets. By doing this, data scientists can discover insights about past events, their causes, future trends, and how to apply the information. Having said that, if you want to become a data science expert and gain handsome compensation packages, look at the wide range of data science programs offered by simplilearn in collaboration with top universities across the globe. By enrolling in any of these certification programs, you gain expertise in skills like statistics, Python programming, data analysis using SQL machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and much more, covering a wide range of tools, including Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn, as well as data visualization tools like Matplotlib and Tableau. You will no doubt catch the eye of top recruiters. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and enroll now. A minimum experience of 1 year is preferred to enroll in these courses. Find the course links in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. What is data science? Data science is a multidisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, algorithms, processes, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It combines computer science, statistics, domain knowledge, and computer data visualization expertise to solve complex problems, make data-driven decisions, and predict future outcomes. What does a data scientist do? A data scientist extracts, analyzes, and interprets data to uncover valuable insights and inform strategic decisions. They collect and clean data from various sources and analyze exploratory data to identify patterns. Roles and responsibilities of a data scientist. Firstly, data collection and cleaning. Data scientists are responsible for acquiring, collecting, and cleaning data sets. This involves sourcing data from various databases, APIs, or other sources, and ensuring its quality by handling missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies. Next is exploratory data analysis. Data scientists perform EDAs, also known as exploratory data analysis, to gain a deep understanding of data. They use statistical and visualization techniques to identify patterns, correlations, and outliers, which inform subsequent analysis. Followed by that, we have model development. Developing predictive models is a core responsibility. Data scientists build machine learning models to solve specific businesses or research problems by selecting appropriate algorithms and fine-tuning them for optimal performance. Moving ahead, we have data visualization. Data scientists create informative visualizations and reports to communicate findings and insights to non-technical stakeholders. Followed by that, we have feature engineering. Feature engineering involves selecting, creating, or transforming relevant variables to improve model accuracy. Data scientists are skilled in identifying the most informative features for a given problem. Moving ahead, we have skills required to become a data scientist. Here are the 6 essential skills that a data scientist should possess. First, programming. Proficiency in programming languages like Python or R is fundamental for data scientists. They use these languages to manipulate data and build machine learning models, and also develop data analysis scripts. Next, we have statistics and mathematics. Strong foundation in statistics and mathematics is essential for understanding the underlying principles of data analysis, hypothesis testing, and machine learning algorithms. Next, machine learning. Data scientists should have expertise in machine learning techniques, including supervised and unsupervised learnings, deep learnings, and reinforcement learning. They need to choose, train, and evaluate models effectively. Next in the list is data manipulation. Skills in data processing, cleaning, and transformation are crucial. Data scientists work with messy and complex data sets, so the ability to prepare data for analysis is the key skill. Followed by that, we have data visualization. Proficient data visualization skills help data scientists communicate their findings effectively to both technical and non-technical stakeholders. Tools like Matplotlib, Xeon, or Tableau are commonly used. Moving ahead, we will discuss the salary of a data scientist. There is a possibility that the salary will vary depending on the company you're working with, as well as the level of knowledge and experience that you bring with you. Top companies like Google, Snapchat, OpenAI, and many more are hiring data scientists in the U.S. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a data scientist ranges between $150,000 to $160,000 per annum. As for salaries in India, the demand for data scientists in India has caught the attention of major industry players, with renowned companies such as Deloitte, Philips, Slice, and others actively seeking to add these professionals into their teams. According to Glassdoor, the national average salary of a data scientist is 15 lakhs per annum in India.